Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggypeg. Welcome to my channel. So today we are back with a hair video, but today I'm not gonna talk about my hair. I'm gonna talk about some bundles. So I was contacted by a brand that is called Sunber Hair, and they asked me if I wanted to review their hair, and if I liked it I could share with my my subscribers, you my friends. So yeah, so they sent me some hair and I tried it first to see if I liked it or not, and guys, I must say that I really like it. So here is the review. Okay, so this is the box. That's how it came in the mail. So I got 3 bundles of Peruvian hair and a closure. So the bundles, I got 3 of 22 inches, so it looked like that, and the closure that I got is a 20 inch. So this is how the bundles look like. So the Peruvian style is a wavy style, like it's really cute. That's how it looks in the package, but that's how it looks on my hair. So this is the hair that I got right now on myself. So yeah, it says Peruvian hair. So once you get it out the bag, it comes with a net on it so that the hair can be like really protected, and I really like that. So look how bouncy this hair is, guys. It's so soft, like I couldn't believe it. Look. So yeah, it's so soft and it doesn't shed. And it doesn't tangle. Like I passed my hand through it and I didn't get any shedding, and the color that I got is a natural black, so it matches my natural hair color perfectly. So yeah, it's really shiny. It has a smell, but it doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell good either. Like I don't know how to say that, but it smells like a cream, like a cream or a shampoo, like a product, a hair product or something. But yeah, I didn't wash it before applying it because the smell didn't matter to me. But yeah, so this is how their hair looks like. So as I said, it doesn't shed and it doesn't tangle. It's really soft. Like I made my mom touch it and she was like so surprised as well. But yeah, so this is 22 inches. So you're probably wondering, how did I get mine to be so long? Well, I'm gonna have a video about the styling of this hairstyle, so if you want to see it, just subscribe to my channel because you're gonna be notified when I'm gonna post it. So yeah, on my hair right now I have 1 bundle only, so the hair is very thick. This is what the bundle looks like, and what I liked about it is that the ends are not thinning. Like it doesn't get thick then thin at the ends, like it's thick all over the bundle. So that's what I really liked about it, and I really like it. Like the curl pattern, like the wavy pattern is so beautiful, guys. And this is what the closure looks like in the bag. Peruvian hair as well. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So it also comes in a net, so really soft as well, doesn't tangle, doesn't shed as well. You have to customize it if you want to wear the closure, but yeah, it's not too thick to the point that it looks like so fake that it's a wig. So that's cool. Like you're not gonna have to pluck too much hair. Like you can see the hair. You can see like the scalp, so it's not too thick. So yeah, this is for the closure. This is a 20-inch closure, sorry. This is nice. And I forgot to mention, but in the box it also came, it also came with some lashes. So this is what, this was a really cute touch. I love it. Thank you, Sunber Hair. But yeah, so I got 3 3 bundles of Peruvian hair of 22 inches, 1 closure of 20 inch, also Peruvian hair, and in the color natural black, I think it was, but I have the link, the direct link to order the hair in the description box, so go click on that, guys. This hair is like so amazing, you don't want to miss on that. So yeah, look. So the hair again is from Sunber Hair on AliExpress. So I don't normally wear bundles and fake hair like that, but like this was so pretty, like I couldn't say no, like I couldn't miss on that, guys. Look at that, look at that. I'm looking like a whole new person. Like it's fun just to change your hair just like for a day or something like that. So yeah, all that to say that I really love this hair. So if you want to order it, like the link is in the description box. So yeah, thank you again, Sunber Hair. And guys, don't forget that I'm gonna have a video about the hairstyle that I did. So if you want to see this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to click the bell button so that you're gonna have all the notifications for when I'm gonna post something. Like you're gonna be alarmed like right away, so you're not gonna miss it. So yeah, subscribe and click the bell button, and also don't forget to watch one of the video that I posted before. And I love you guys. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in another one. Ciao.